Okay, here we have Cody. He's going to teach us how to make a banana dog sandwich.
No, not a sandwich.
I'm sorry, banana dog. Okay, now you explain what you have to do.
To already make one, you need a bun, one banana, peanut butter, jelly, and a knife. First, you open the bun out. Next, you peel the banana. Then you put the banana in the bun. No, wait. It's too sticky. Then you get the knife and scoops peanut butter. Oh, you only got a peanut butter. Then put it on the banana. Then you wipe the peanut butter off. Then you go dip in the jelly. Oh, this jelly's hard. Then you put it onto the peanut butter. 2 scoops only. If you have more scoop than one, you have more scoop than 2, they won't really taste good. And that's how you make a banana.
Okay, now let's say you take a bite of that.
Okay.
Is that good?
It's good.
All right. Thank you, Cody, for showing us that.
But first, before you make something, wash your hands.
Right. And next week we'll be back with something else that Cody can make. Stay tuned. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
What are you going to tell it to, Mommy?